How to add the custom footer to Wix website. So let's first head over right here onto our Wix.ls7 editor, and then we have in here our footer. Click on this change footer design, and you can actually change in here the fill color, border, corners, and shadows. So you can change up a lot of things using this one, and then this will actually make this customized to your liking. So you can also change up the titles that's been added right here. You can change up the borders that's been added as well. Like for example, let's put in here gray borders, and we also have in here this corners as well as shadows that we have or actually be added right here. So if we have other footer in mind, you can also just adjust the footer height and add some spaces from in there. You can also click on this plus or add elements right here, and you can add some more elements like button, images, or strips if you want. So for example, let's click on this view more right here and then just drag this right around here. And as you can see, this will be added onto your footer, and this will make this more custom made. So that's how you add a custom footer to Wix website. Hope we helped.